9, and I don't think I've actually put all of these down on another sheet, so we'll do it here. That's to say my, your, and so on. Okay, so the word for my is ma, and it aspirates the word. So mahar is my car. Your car dakhar. His car achar. Her car it's also but the word car doesn't change, so it becomes a car. And our car, you put a ellipsis, so it's our gar. And y'all's car, gar. And their car, agar. Okay, so that's when you have a word that starts with a consonant. Now when it starts with a vowel, it's a little different. So my father is mahar. Your father, daher. His father, ahar. Her father, ahaher. So the for her puts an H on it. Our father, our nahar. And y'all's father, were nahar. And their father, anahar. Okay, and you have to put the apostrophe, not the apostrophe, the dash with the end, because otherwise it could look like another word. Okay.
Can you pronounce your again?
Like your car is dakhar, that one, and your father daher. Okay. So I could ask Margit, ken da ata de roher? So what color is on your cycle? I could ask, ken da ata de wonky? What color is on your monkey? Okay, and then she would answer, ta da korkara ma wonky, or ta da bui orashta. Okay, da el ananish eranish. Yeah, because ma wonky. Yeah, yeah. You have to aspirate. So. Mochat, my cat. Mawadra, my dog. Machupan, my cup.
An elephant is what?
Melephant. So da korkara, my elephant. Okay? Or da lia, I have a gray color on my elephant. Okay? Okay? Or you can say ta da goram machar. I have a blue color on my car. Or ta da ban machar. There's a white color on my car. Okay?
Cat is mahat.
Mahata. Mahat is my cat.
Yeah, my cat.
Yeah.
Mahat.
Mahat. Yeah, Mahata is my hat.
What is the other one?
Mahata is my hat. Hata. Yeah,
Oh, just a hat.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
How would you say, if you wanted to say, my monkey is red, you'd say, ta-da monkey?
What did you say? My monkey is
My
what?
monkey is red, or my monkey is a color.
Yeah. You would say, you can say tama wonky jarig, or you say ta da jarig ama wonky.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's one thing. Occasionally words get borrowed into Irish from English, but they still follow Irish rules. So the word monkey, like we had it written, is spelled in the Irish way, monkey. Okay? You have to, this is a C sound in Irish, and a K sound in Irish, and you have to have the A there because you have an O there, so you have to spell it correctly. Okay? Monkey, and my monkey is monkey. And you typically do it based on the sound, so even if you have a word that you don't know how it's spelled in Irish, you do it according to sound. So things that start with M, my mother, Mawaher. So things that start with M are going to do that, so Mawonky. Okay?
There were monkeys in Ireland, I heard.
They found a snake in court.
What is why his father, her father, why does it seem, I would think her father would be Aher, like my father.
No, it's the way it is.
There it is,
Yeah. Usually his and hers are opposite from each other as to when they do things. In other words, things that are masculine and things that are feminine tend to do different things.
They aspirated hers, but they didn't aspirate his.
Actually, they aspirated his, but not hers.
Oh.
With aher, the sticking the H's on is a different thing in front of a vowel. That's a different. It's not the same as aspirations. Okay. Something different today. Okay. What I have is little cards with pictures on them in different colors. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do is hand out. I guess I'll give you guys a couple each. How about? Maybe I'll give you 3 each. How about that? So I get 1 or 2. Okay. So I can say, so I have 3 things. I have Boska Gorum, which is a blue box. I have Kat Gorum, which is a blue cat. And Ov Wan, which is a white egg. Okay? So, I'm going to do is ask you some questions about the cards you have. Okay? I'm going to do a lot of the Ke Ege Awil, so who has. So, Ke Ege Awil Ov. Ov is an egg. UBH. Ke Ege Awil Ov. You would say Takyan Agamsa. Takyan Agamsa, I have one. Or Ta Ov Agamsa. Ov Gorum. So Ov is feminine, and so you have to aspirate the adjective after. So Gorum for masculine, Gorum for feminine. So Ke Ege will Ov Ta Ov and Kelly. I guess Enya Ella. Anyone else? Takarakinan, there's 4 of them, so 2 of you have them. Okay. Ov. Ke Ege will Ov. Who has an egg? Ke Ege will Ov. Okay, Pam. Kenda Ata Aaron Ov. What color is on the egg?
Tada. Glass.
Boss?
Yeah, da glass air. Or urhi, actually, urhi. Da glass urhi. So there's a green color on it. Okay, and it's feminine, so it's urhi on
The egg
her.
is feminine.
Yeah. I guess Folin will Ovagat. Okay.
What's glass?
Glass is green.
Green, now horn?
Ta da. Okay, so you have Ov Ron. Ron is a brown egg, but you'd say ta da down air or urhi. Yeah, so there's. Okay, so Polly has the brown egg, okay? So you can say ta. Ta of brown agam. I have a brown egg, okay? Yeah. The word down's good to know in Ireland because a ron down is brown bread. It's good. Okay. Or ta kyan. Oops, too many. Okay. Ta kyan down agam. I have a brown one. Okay, because we've been asking this about eggs in general. So ta kyan down agam. Okay, so ta kyan down egg Pauline agus kyan glass egg Pam agus ta kyan bon agamsa agus kenda ta the kyansa da erhi. Oh, what color is it?
I don't have an egg.
Oh, I thought you had. I understand. Who else? Oh, you have one. Kenda. Okay, you say Neil Kyan. You can say Neil Ovagum. I don't have an egg. Okay, Kenda Hatar Erikyansa, Kelly.
Tada for
Orhi, yeah.
horns.
Orhi. Okay. Yeah, you can get by with air if you don't know the difference because that's what people do. Okay.
Eggs are girls.
Or you can say Kashi down. She is brown. Okay. But or you can say ta da. Or here's a little bit more Irish way of saying it, that there's a brown color on it. Down arhi. Okay. Okay. Kad ele ta agam ta kat gorum agam. So I have a blue cat. Ta kat gorum agam. And will kat egg aimed in the ella. And so. Ta. Okay. Ken kat taga. What cat do you have?
Takyan Leah.
Agam. Yeah. So ta kyan lia agam. I have a gray one. Or ta kat lia.